All right, so today I'm gonna make the Reese's Cookie Skillet Kit. I bought this for Christmas, or I mean after Christmas, because it's on sale at Walmart. Cost this much. That much. That's the sale price. And it already expired, but this is dry goods. So this is the expiration date. But dry goods usually doesn't expire, like salt. Salt doesn't expire. Like look at this salt. It says it has a best by time. So this salt expires in 2015, which is not possible. Salt doesn't expire. Salt's millions of years old. So they put an expiration date on it because, you know, they want you to buy another one. So, okay, so this looks great for presentation. Like I went to Applebee's and they had a giant cookie like this, but not in a skillet. And they had a giant scoop of ice cream on this and it was great. So like this is a great idea. Even after I'm done making this, I want to make this like with something else because for presentation this is incredible. And this has some preparation. Like it says you have to prepare the skillet, like wash it and stuff, and then dry it. Well, the normal stuff. If you ever use cast iron, there's a huge like cleaning and preparation time for cast iron just to make it good, to season it and not rust. Because cast iron is basically 100% iron and it's very easy to rust. So today I'm gonna make this. The ingredients are pretty simple. Basically, 1 egg, softened butter, and then mix whatever's in here. Hold up, 1 tablespoon of beaten eggs. And it says 1 tablespoon of eggs. So basically that's less than 1 egg, because I just measured it. So pour this out here. So that's 1 tablespoon of eggs. So it's less than an egg. And this is 1 tablespoon of softened butter. How do you know? Is the butter's already labeled, so I just cut this much off. So right now you're supposed to just combine them, whatever's in the package. And see, if it was expired, it would be molding. So that's the thing you guys gotta know about expiration date. It's just, and look at this. This has a completely different expiration date. It says 4/30/23. So this expires next month. Let me see if let's mix them first. Combine Reese's mix in a bowl. Add the tablespoons. All right, so already smells good. And the extra chocolate chips. And it says spread in the seasoned skillet. So how you season it is you have to wash it with soap, and then dry it in the oven, then put oil or butter on it, and then dry it in the oven for 2 hours. That's what I did. That was the prep for this. So there's some prep time here. And butter it. Take a stick of butter. Spread the seasoned buttered cast iron. Bake for 10 to 8 minutes. All right, that's it. Could use a spatula, but don't want to get something else dirty. All right, that looks good enough. Bake 8 to 10 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Counting down.
All right, it's been 8 minutes. I mean, it's been 10 minutes. At 8 minutes, it didn't look done, but this is what it looks like at 8 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes. It doesn't look done, but it says don't overcook it, so this should be done. I'm gonna let it cool down. It says until the edges are done. So the edges look like they're done. They're pulling away from the side. So I would assume that's done. Now it says let it cool before serving, so I'm gonna let it cool. Because it's probably gonna carry over cook. All right, it's cold to the touch now. See if you can remove it. No, this doesn't look like it's really easy to remove. Yeah, you're probably gonna mess it up trying to remove this. Spatula's not gonna work. So I assume they want you eat it out of this because this seems like a presentation dish. This is what it looks like. See how good it is. Tastes like a cookie. Tastes like a normal cookie. Like a chocolate chip cookie, but with Reese's instead. It's really chewy. You thought it was gonna be like crunchy, but nope. All right, this tastes like peanut butter. And this part tastes like it's chocolate. It doesn't even look like the picture. I mean, for it to look like the picture, there's no way that these are gonna be, not covered in, the cookie. It looks like they individually placed these, which that would be impossible. The recipe says mix them together. So this is one of those things that it's never gonna look like the picture unless you're gonna manually place these by themselves. It's how are they gonna be clean? How are these gonna be clean even after you cook them? Not possible. That's one thing I don't like. It doesn't look like the picture and it will never look like the picture. But this is pretty good cookie. It seems like it will stick to the pan. Like, since this is a cast iron, I mean, look, it's like sticking to the pan, like right here. So I don't think it's gonna be like intentionally to take it out, but overall this is pretty good. I mean, the presentation is great. I mean, some of it will come out. See, as you tell, the cookie's well cooked. I was worried that it's not gonna be done, but look at it. So the cookie's well cooked. Let me see if I put it upside down. Nah. It's not gonna come out. Not easily. I mean, look at that. Oh, here's why it's not gonna also come out. Because there's gonna be some melted chocolate on the bottom. So this is not intended, I assume. Unless you put parchment paper. Yeah, the only way you're gonna get this out is by putting parchment paper. You never ever like cook directly on something and expect it to, look at that, it's like sticking to the cast iron. Because the cast iron is textured. But this is pretty good. You just need some ice cream. See, some of it's coming off because you got See, the chocolate didn't melt here, but some points the chocolate is melting, so there's no way it's gonna come off. But this is pretty good. I mean, everything went well on this thing. It's fairly easy to make. Yeah, even though it says expired on it, it's not expired. Like some things don't expire, like salt. But this is good. I mean, how could this get better? Maybe, no, it can't get better. I mean, this has everything. This has the presentation and everything. Like you're gonna serve this without this, you know, serve like this to somebody with the scoop of ice cream on top. This is great. This is great. Like for the price, I mean, it was discounted like $6. So this is a great deal. You get cast iron. I bought it mostly for the cast iron because I'm gonna use this for something else. Because you can like cook one egg here or make 2 eggs and then use this for like a egg dish. Because you can like, what people don't know, you can cook anything in cast iron. Like all you need to do is put a good amount of butter on this and you can cook an egg on this and the egg won't stick. I used to cook eggs on my cast iron pan, but the problem is cast iron is annoying to clean. That's the main reason I don't use it. Like cast iron, if you're gonna cook with it, try to cook with it as much as possible without cleaning, because cleaning is just annoying, man. You gotta do exactly what they say on the box to clean cast iron. Like this says right here, wash it, scrub it, and then you gotta rub in oil, and then you have to bake it for 2 hours in the oven. So you had the seasoning on it. But this is great. I mean, I'll buy this again, just for the cast iron, of course. Because I mean, this is nothing special. This is just like a cookie recipe, a chocolate chip cookie. So this is good. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out.